How to fix Apple ID grayed out on iPhone. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started with the video. First thing first, all you gotta do is head over to the settings of a device. Inside the settings, you can see that the Apple ID has been grayed out. In order for you to fix it, all you gotta do is scroll down until you see the option where it says screen time. And then move into it. Once again, scroll down and then head over to content and privacy restrictions. You can see it has been turned on. Now once again scroll down and inside allow changes to, head over to accounts. As if you can see that the settings is set to don't allow, it will gray out your Apple ID. So in order for you to fix it, all you gotta do is set the settings to allow. Now if you go back and head over to your Apple ID section, then you will be able to see that it has been fixed. Now you will be able to go through your Apple account and manage all of your settings. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you out, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.